This next episode contains a few scenes from different outings that we went to St. John Islands, and mainly focusing on fishing with a few friends. And I will have a couple of Chinese either subtitles or narration because for the Chinese viewers. It will contain some fun stuff on a fishing day out at St. John's and Lazarus.
接下来的片段，你所看到的是我们有几次出海和朋友去约翰岛和 Lazarus 岛，一起去钓鱼和去走在岛上。
Between June and July in Singapore, the heightened alert with COVID situation led some friends to be kind of bored at home. So we have a couple of outings with them to St. John's and Lazarus Island, observing restriction guidelines of course. Some are more lucky than the others in catching fishes. Let's see. These are my new friends on the boat today, and we're having breakfast before we sail out to St. John's, so it's going to be a happy day. Now it's about 8 o'clock. The weather looks wink wink terrible. And these are Yang, and that's Kachun. Welcome to Breakfast on Boat. Today we have a good friend of mine, Kelvin, and we are planning to go out to St. John Lazarus Island. So it looks like a good day out there. Hopefully it keeps up the good day. And Kevin and I want to go fishing. So before we go, we're going to start having our wonton mee.
Wonton mee.
Kevin, is this your first time on the boat? First time on the boat.
Time.
Good, let's enjoy.
Yes.
Chris's friend Tammy, a very talented media producer, has decided to take a day off to go out to the sea with us. Just walking and enjoying the beach, no expectations. But I did introduce her to fishing, and she tried her luck today. That was really fun. So we started the day with having a couple of photos taking, enjoy the marina before we set off. Okay, we're just setting off from the marina, just left the marina, and this is Kelvin's first trip out on the boat. I think he's a bit kanchiong. There's quite a bit of setup when you leave the marina with unmooring and everything, but with Kachun and Ayang, that was not really a problem, and we're enjoying ourselves. Chris did not join us on this trip. She had some meetings, but she was able to take really excellent footage of some of these videos as we leave the marina. Nice memories for all of us. It was really enjoyable with a couple of friends who are first timer on a boat and sailing in Singapore. It's just good day out, good weather, and chatting with good friends. Chris and Tammy had a good time chatting, catching up, and of course Ayang has a chance to helm the boat, so is Kelvin. Everybody has their own time. It was really fun, and most of them, this is the first time out in the sea, and just to be on the Singapore water is quite an experience to see so many ships around. Here we are leaving Sentosa, which is on our left. It's always nice to smell the sea, enjoy the breeze, and looking forward to reaching that island which is far ahead of us in the distance. It will take us about an hour to reach Sisters Island, and on the left is this big Sentosa Island where we are going to pass through, and always great for photo takings.
OK， 你们第一次上船，有什么感觉啊？
爽，开心，兴奋 ，excited。
I met his two friends from a new workplace. They are gonna enjoy themselves fishing.
今天你们会抓到鱼吗？
会，必须会。
We're gonna go fishing, so I don't know. Let's see whether we have good luck today. Today is supposed to be a good fishing day. The tide is good, and it should be good. Chef Kelvin is looking forward to the fishing experience, and Tammy just want to relax on the boat, and everybody has a different ways of enjoying it. After about an hour and a half, we reached Lazarus Island, so we're berthing the boat here. with an inexperienced crew, but it turned out to be pretty smooth with some help from the other boaters. And finally, we're here and enjoying themselves. Same thing happened with Kelvin. Always nervous when we are birding, but so far we always have good luck with people helping us at the pier. So it's off to taking a stroll and walking towards Eagles Bay, which is really nice. And if you have never been to a nice beach in Singapore, try Lazarus Island. This bay is the best kept secret of Singapore. So we just docked the boat at Lazarus Island. Now we're walking to go to the Eagles Bay to
游泳，游泳。
swim. So that's what we are. See the two of them? First time on the island. It's so great to be able to bring someone to go here. And the first time they're on the boat. This morning we had a little bit of engine starting problem, and for some reason the battery wasn't connected. I hope it's not the battery problem. If not, we won't be able to start the engine to go back. Let's see. The first experience at Eagles Bay is always breathtaking. Here's Tammy's first experience here, and even for me, each time I get there, it's always an awe-inspiring experience too. Ayang has been here for 6 years, and he's never been to the beach before.
12 years.
12 years for Kachun, and this is the first time, and I'm bringing them to one of the best beach in Singapore actually. It's called Eagles Bay on Lazarus Island. And what more can you ask for? First experience on the beach. Look at that. It's almost like Thailand. I couldn't resist and I joined them swimming as well. Honestly, this was the first time I jumped into the sea, even though I've been here a few times. It was really nice. The water was clean and we had a great time. Just the boys. Well, the girls have a different idea of having fun, and they opened a bottle of champagne. And that's the way they enjoy their time on the boat. And this is really nice and refined. Champagne, photo taking, socializing and chatting. Well, of course, boys will be boys, and they decided to do some sand digging and burying of kachun. So funny.
哇，还有六粒啊！
哇，你讲你体力，我跟你讲。
厉害哇！这是谁？哇，我们找到一个美人鱼。 身材不错，尾巴很不错。可是为什么这个美人的脸不是美的呢？是男人呢？
So it's time for fishing. The time is right. Kevin is setting up the gears, and Kachun and Ayang has put up the position, waiting patiently and seeing who will catch the fish first. Well, they are both boys and they know exactly what to do. However, on the other trip with Tammy, she needed some lessons.
Tammy，你现在在上什么课？
钓鱼课。
钓鱼101呢？
哎呀，这是钓大鱼课，小鱼不可以的。钓到鱼板上就是一条鱼加2块钱。
First catch, albeit a small one, and next, Kevin got a huge one. Or is it a rock? Well, let's see.
怎么样的感觉？
开心爽，
好，哇，很美，这条鱼很美。
有来的鱼。
对哈。
Nice catch. Tammy is still trying
OK， 准备
patiently,
了，来我看，
and first time fishing for her.
我看看时间，3点。
Soon, Ayang caught a second one. It's a puffer fish.
钓到了，你
It's
看，
jumping
哇
on
哇
the
哇
fish.
哇！
Patiently, still trying. Now Kevin is using different techniques this time with baits and spinner. He's a good fisherman. A young again, a third fish.
钓了
Nice
几只鱼
little
啊？
3只
edible fish. Of course, we set it free. It's not big enough.
没有。
Tammy, keep going. She's patient and finally.
第几条鱼了啊？
4条，
这条是最小的吗？
最小的。
Twinkling lights in a pink moon sky. Here I stand looking up high. I don't know where I am or where I'm going to. But for tonight, I'm by your side under the velveteen sky.
It's above. Raja, put it out again, Raja.
The day's now hushed and out of sight. The darkness is just a blush away.
Go under.
As the earth spins, my dreams away.
Raja.
Let go a bit.
So tonight, before tonight, I'm by your side under the velveteen skies.
the day ended with lots of smiles and tired faces and sun-tanned skin. We're still happy. On the way back, we encountered some otters. Surprising, they visiting the marina as well. Quite a healthy bunch of family. Well, I guess everybody wants to swim as well. So until the next breakfast on board, I look forward to see you again, and maybe you could be on our boat.